Are you curious about the hidden health benefits of turmeric water? While many people rave about its advantages, there are some surprising effects that doctors often don't mention. Here are 10 health benefits of turmeric water that you might not know about. 10 health benefits of turmeric water that doctors never mention. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory. Turmeric water is packed with curcumin, which can significantly reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it an excellent choice for those suffering from chronic pain. 2. Natural detoxifier. It aids liver function and helps flush out toxins, promoting a healthier body overall. A daily dose could support your body's natural detox processes. 3-point enhanced mood. Some studies suggest that turmeric may have mood-boosting properties, potentially helping to alleviate symptoms of depression. What if a warm cup of turmeric water could brighten your day? 4. Supports weight loss. Drinking turmeric water may help regulate metabolism, making it easier to manage your weight. Imagine sipping your way to a healthier you. 5. Skin healing properties. The antioxidants in turmeric can support skin health, potentially reducing acne and promoting a glowing complexion. Could this simple drink be your new skincare secret? 6. Improved digestion. Turmeric water may stimulate bile production, enhancing digestion and helping to alleviate bloating. Say goodbye to uncomfortable meals. 7. Blood sugar regulation. There's evidence that turmeric can help stabilize blood sugar levels. This benefit is especially important for those managing diabetes or insulin resistance. 8. Enhanced brain function. Curcumin has been linked to increased levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which may improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. What if drinking turmeric water could keep your mind sharp? 9. Stronger immune system. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric may enhance your immune response, helping you fend off colds and infections. 10. Heart health. Turmeric water may help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and promoting better circulation. Imagine supporting your heart with a delicious drink. How to make turmeric water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or freshly grated turmeric, 2 cups of water. Optional, a squeeze of lemon or honey for taste. Instructions: 1. Boil the water in a pot. 2. Add the turmeric and stir well. 3. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. 4. Strain and enjoy warm or chilled. Unlock the amazing health benefits of turmeric water today. You might be surprised at how something so simple can transform your well-being.